Good morning. We are here at the Comfort Suites in Stockbridge, Georgia for the event entitled Community Connections. I am here with one of the guest speakers today. I'm going to ask her to introduce herself and tell us a little bit about her company.
Thank you. Good morning. My name is Jennifer Sampson. I am a community mortgage advisor with Pinnacle Financial Partners. We are a full-service bank, but we have more of a community feel. So we're a smaller bank. My branch is in our Peer Center, which is a Pinnacle Empowerment Economic Resource Center. And so there we work with the community. We do affordable lending. My niche is working with first-time home buyers, minorities, and elderly people who have disability or on fixed incomes to help them get into a home. I offer down payment assistance and affordable programs to help with those things for my buyers.
Okay. So when you say community, you're community-based. So what is the difference between your bank and say one of the larger banks that do the same types or offer the same types of
So the difference that you'll find with us and say a Bank of America or Wells Fargo is when you come in, because we are a smaller community-based bank, there's a more personal one-on-one service. Like most of my clients contact me by my cell phone.
And I know when you talk about first-time home buyers, a lot of times they don't know anything about the programs that are available to them, and sometimes they don't even feel that they are even eligible or capable of even purchasing a home. So that's where you all come in to kind of make them feel more comfortable, educate them, which is very important, about home buying and mortgage lending and all of that. So if you have one message that you wanted to give to people, and I know you said your specialty is first-time home buyers, but just one message that you wanted to give, what would that message be?
The goal is attainable. Financial literacy is very important, and our communities, events like this are awesome because our communities don't typically offer the, we don't have access to the information like other communities do. So I think that's the biggest thing, financial literacy, and you can reach your goals. It just takes the effort to get the education to do it, and it's out here. We offer consumer masterminds. As a matter of fact, I do the consumer masterminds as well. I sit in on them too. We offer masterminds for small businesses and what those are. So the Peer Center is really unique, and most banks don't offer that. Like, you're not going to find an economic empowerment center with, say, the other larger institutions. So we offer that education to the community, and we open that center for that specifically. So that we could offer those services and just educate the public, because that's really important as we're going further into this economic climate that we have now, is that you know what is available to you, because there's more available to everyone than we realize, but you just have to be educated in order to get to those things. So that's what we do. We try to offer that education.
Right. Well, thank you so much, and thank you for what you're doing. That's definitely a great cause, and thank you for being here today.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Good morning, or good afternoon. I was about to say good morning again. First, I would like to say I'm very honored to be here. Some of the people that have spoken already, Ms. Felicia, Miss Medical Cannabis, and Weight Loss, and Auntie Techie, like it's amazing because we, as a community, we need this. My role is community mortgage advisor with Pinnacle Financial Partners, so I deal primarily in the real estate industry. And one of the things that I run across constantly is that our community is not educated in how to purchase a home, or even the fact that they have the ability to purchase a home. I've been in the lending side, I've been a realtor, and I'm back in lending, so I bring a lot of knowledge to the industry. I work with investors, I've worked with existing buyers, first-time home buyers, and I find that this niche that I have currently is with the first-time home buyers and working with minorities in our community, as well as people on fixed incomes. I feel like I'm doing God's work because I'm bringing people to home ownership who otherwise would have never owned a home. The unique thing about us is we are a community-based bank. So what that means, it's a little different. When you walk into, let's say, a large institution like Bank of America, it's a lot going on in the branch. When you come into our branch, you're going to get more of a personal service because we're community-based. My office is located in right next to the gathering spot in Midtown Atlanta. It's called called the Pinnacle Economic Empowerment Resource Center. And it's a unicorn in the banking industry because what we do is focus on financial literacy in the actual community. We focus primarily on educating consumers as well as educating small business owners because it's, sometimes when you are a business owner, you're not necessarily owning the business, you're actually an employee of your own business. And we teach you how to get from being an employee of your own business to a business owner, as well as how to manage your personal finances. And I do work with existing buyers, people who already own homes. We can offer you some really good affordable home equity lines of credit, believe it or not. And they are very accessible to you as buyers if you're already owning and you're just wanting to leverage some of the equity in your home that you currently have. So I'm going to be sitting over there with Miss Angie. If you guys are interested, please come over. I can pre-qualify you on the spot. I can help with credit repair right on the spot. I'll give you a blueprint of exactly what you need to do to get there if you're not already ready. Thank you guys for listening, and good luck on your home buying journeys if you decide to purchase a home.
First, I want to say thank you for being here. Thank you for taking time out of your Saturday and coming up, and hopefully you've learned something or something inspired you and you made a connection today. So thank you for being here. I'm super excited that you're all here. Don't forget to sign our registry for our next event, and let's make today unforgettable.
Thank you.